What's up, guys? Welcome back to the videos. Today, we're on our dock. That's our boat right there, the black one. Some people out there. Our dock. Our house is up there. So we found a couple of these dogs. That's a beagle. We named him Toast. And then this guy's name is Snowball.
I just got attacked by it.
We believe he is a golden lab or whatever it is, like a white lab or something. I don't know. And this is a beagle. Switch. So cute. Do y'all think they are? Aw. Say hi, Toast. Oh, sneeze on me. Okay.
Wait, flip the camera around so you can show me Toast.
Toast. Here. Toasty Woasty. He's so cute. And they're both boys if you're hungry.
And then, no, let me show them the Snowball.
You better not drop that.
And here's Snowball.
You better not drop that phone, Brody. You can switch the camera around. Okay, I'll take it over. Beagle Boy. We call him Beagle Boy sometimes. He's our favorite. Oh, gosh. As y'all can tell, he's by far the best dog on the planet. And we went tubing earlier. It was fun. Shoo-boo, shoo-boo-boo. Hey, puppy. Hey, puppy. Oh, he's so soft. He is so soft. So I'm going to switch the camera. So I'm filming on my mom's phone right now. It's a lot easier. But then I can't pause it, so but I can switch the camera, which is a new thing. It's so soft. Beagle Boy. We believe he's about 1 or 2 years old, and we believe Snowball is a lab, so we believe it's about a year old. So is Beagle Boy. Toast, don't go, buddy. Toast. Oh no, Brody. Love you, Toasty Woaty. Let's go, Toast. So as over there, this is our dock. That's our boat over there. Rented boat, because we don't. Our tube. That's a boat that was right here. Some shit. Oh, look at little Snowball. Whoa. Look at Beagle Boy. Toast. Walk up this gravel path. I'll follow them, Brody. Ow. Oof. Gravel. Oh. Ow. How do dogs not hate this? Brody, come on. Hey, puppy. Look at. Oh, she should have licked the camera. Ow. So hard to. Oh, there's a boat zooming by. Look at this boat zoom. We're going about this fast when we tube. Zoom. Nah. Where are they going?
Where are we going?
We'll go show y'all the house. Hold on, let's. Oh. Oh, don't know. Oh, where are y'all going? Oh, it hurt. They live over there. Because that's where they came from yesterday. Or they live up there. So guys, make sure to like. I know it hurts. So guys,
My balls.
make sure to like, subscribe. Peace out. Just kidding. We're staying here for about 20 more minutes.
No, we're not.
Yeah.
No.
They're back. Switch them around. They're back. Hey, Snowball. Snowball, so cute. Oh boy, Saggy Balls.
Saggy balls.
Should that's his new name? Saggy Balls.
All right, Jake.
What?
Done.
Let's go up there and show him the house.
Nah.
Yeah.
Nah.
Yep. No, we're not ending it. End of the video. Bye.